This video discusses test-taking strategies and how to create a 5-day test prep plan. There is a copy of this 5-day test prep plan under the links for this video. Some of the key concepts of the 5-day test prep are 1. To start early. So consider beginning your studying early, and this will give you time to organize your study materials, ask questions, and review information well before your exam. 2. Use short, frequent study sessions, so studying for about 30 to 50 minutes with breaks should be enough time to complete your studying. If you study for long hours at a time, you may not be able to retain all the information you're trying to review. And 3. Structure your study time over 5 days. Instead of studying a day or two before your exam, consider studying for 5 days so you can become familiar with the information you're going to be assessed on. And 4, commit to your plan. So consider creating a study plan that works and is also going to be realistic for you. So when you start to implement this 5-day test prep, consider dividing the material you need to study into 4 chronological and equal parts. So you want to separate your information into the oldest material to the newest material. And what you want to do is label these A, B, C, D. So A would be your oldest material, B would be your second oldest material, C would be the third oldest material, and D would be the newest information. And make sure you break up the amount that you have to study into equal parts. The 5-day test prep is broken up into 2 parts, preparing and reviewing. So for each day of your study plan, you might want to select 2 to 3 preparation and review strategies to help you prepare. The only day you'll not review is the first day. So some of the test prep strategies are to make flashcards, create a study guide, create concept maps, organize and summarize your class notes, predict test questions, list formulas if you're taking a class with a lot of formulas that you need to remember, complete online reviews. And some of the review strategies are to practice with flashcards, recite main ideas from notes without looking, recreate mind maps from memory, rewrite your notes from memory, quiz yourself on predicted test questions, recite or rewrite formulas, and complete practice problems. So if you look at the 5-day schedule, the first day you're going to take that part A that you made and you're going to prepare 1 to 2 hours. So that would be any of the test prep strategies, and think about what works best for you. Then day 2, you're going to prepare part B, and you're going to use some of those test prep strategies. And then for 30 minutes to an hour, you're going to review the part A that you did the day before. So the schedule kind of keeps on going similar to that, where you're preparing and then you're reviewing. And then by the end, you have everything done. And the last day, day 5, is where you are just reviewing the different parts that you've prepared throughout the week. Here is a sheet that you can use to create your 5-day study plan. At the top, you can label what your A, B, C, D study topics are for each day of review, and then you can fill in what you plan to prepare and review for each of these 5 days. Need additional help with creating a 5-day test prep plan? Make an appointment at the TAAC with an academic coach.